guys, today I'm going to talk about the snap-on work light. Uh, it's a great light to have, especially if you're working in jobs, mechanic or projects. It looks well built, metal. Uh, it's about, I will say it's about 2 pounds. So this is the snap-on LED work light, 2000 lumens. And it's a great light. I mean, it looks like steady, well built. Let's connect it and let's see how it works. I also have the master plug. This is a core storage. It's great. It's got 4 outlets. It's got a safety overload, and you can power on and off here. And you can see the light turn on. So this is good to have. You can buy these like at Walmart, Lowe's, or Home Depot. But let's connect this light and see how bright it is. Okay. Here's a switch in the back. So you switch that. Oh, pretty bright. Lights up pretty good. As you can see, it's got a good light. Good light to have for projects and going under your car to fix something. This will light everything up. Any questions? I'll leave a description and how to purchase this on Amazon. Any questions, go ahead, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.